These machines create parts so small, one mistake can cost a human life.
This is not a car factory. This is where medical precision begins.
Precision is measured in microns, not millimeters.
Every machine runs non-stop, controlled by code written for perfection. One error here, and the part is destroyed instantly. Human hands are not allowed inside this process. Even dust can make these parts unusable.
A single piece is scanned again and again.
Each part gets a unique identity. Nothing is anonymous. This factory works like a single intelligent organism.
These materials must survive the human body for decades.
Cutting here is more important than cutting. Smaller than a needle, drilled flawlessly. If the machine detects a defect, the part never leaves this room.
There is no repair. Only perfection survives. These components will soon enter operating rooms. From here, they travel to hospitals around the world.
This factory accepts nothing below 100% accuracy.
Day or night, these machines never stop.
The system has layers of safety, just like the human body. Even microscopic roughness can cause pain inside a patient.
Light itself is used to judge perfection.
Each part waits for final approval. No emotions, no assumptions, only data. Even machines must recalibrate to remain flawless. This is why Swiss medical technology is trusted worldwide. This tiny object may save a human life. This factory to an operating table. No applause, no noise, just silent responsibility. In the next video, we enter a factory where even robots are not trusted. Defects invisible to human eyes are instantly rejected here.
No second chances. Precision has only one standard.
Movement is recorded, analyzed, and stored forever.
Machines correct themselves before mistakes even happen.
Parts must hold human bones together for decades.
Temperature control here is measured in fractions of a degree.
Only medical-grade purity is allowed beyond this point.
A surface too rough can damage human tissue.
Every angle matters when lives are involved.
Sterility here is not a promise. It's a requirement.
Each part can be traced back to the exact second it was made. Nothing leaves this factory without a complete history.
Trays will soon be opened inside operating rooms.
Bacteria and time are sealed out completely. Even packaging failures are unacceptable.
Factory feels calm because chaos is not allowed.
No shouting,
No rushing. Only precision.
This object may never be seen by the patient it saves.
Switzerland to hospitals worldwide.
Speed matters, but accuracy matters more.
These machines don't sleep. Human lives depend on them.
Even power failure is planned
Machines here
for.
constantly watch themselves.
Only perfection gets the green signal.
This is why Swiss medical engineering is trusted.
There is no room for mistakes.
Every movement is calculated and final. The factory never truly rests.
One small object, one saved life.
Next, we enter a factory where even humans are forbidden to enter.
At this point, humans are no longer needed on the factory floor.
Machines follow rules more strictly than people ever could.
Day or night makes no difference here.
0 errors for thousands of production cycles.
A single micron mistake could change a human life. Heat, pressure, and force are controlled with extreme precision.
This level of control is nearly impossible for humans. Every item here is already trusted before it leaves the factory. Once sealed, nothing can interfere with the product.
Outside, the world sleeps. Inside, perfection continues.
What happens here directly affects what happens there.
This small object may support a body for decades.
Even cleanliness is automated. Every failure scenario is already prepared for. Humans designed the system, then stepped aside.
Has been fully transferred to machines.